Guys, I'm Nat Michelle. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY video showing you how I created this gorgeous painting, so just stay tuned. I haven't done a DIY video in like 2 years. Be sure to check out the last DIY I did. It was a DIY mirrored nightstand. And let me know what you think about that video as well. So today's video, this was actually inspired by Decor Snippets on Instagram. So she did this painting, I believe. I'm not exactly sure if she did it. I think I saw it back in November of last year, and because that's when I bought my supplies. So when I saw that video, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to recreate this with my own little twist, do it my own way. I love it. I love the colors and everything that was used. Sure to check her out on IG as well. And yeah, so now I'm going to show you the painting. Yeah, so this is the painting. It turned out so well. I'm definitely going to make some more that are similar to this. And I'm just going to get right into the DIY. I don't want to drag this out any longer. Yeah, I'm going to show you all the supplies you need and show you how I did this gorgeous paint. Okay, so the supplies you're going to need is white acrylic paint, black acrylic paint, 22 by 33 canvas, gold tape, push pins, painter's tape, paintbrushes. Also, I'm using 2 paper plates to just mix the paint colors together. Okay, so first I want to use these push pins at the bottom of the canvas just to lift it up off the floor so that it'll be easy for me to paint the sides. Now I'm trying to figure out how I want to do my design, so I'm just kind of winging it right now. I knew I wanted to kind of start off with 2 lines as my base, and then I just decided to just wing it from here. And also with the painter's tape, this is being used to, this is where the gold tape is going to go at the end. So this is pretty much leaving just enough space so that the gold tape can cover and that there won't be any type of white lines on the sides. To figure out how I want to design this painting. So you will see me putting the painter's tape down and then taking it back up because it's not giving what it's supposed to give. So yeah, so now I have my actual design and I'm going to start painting. So now I'm going to start with the black paint. When I started painting, I was just really just freehanding it because I just didn't know, like, I just didn't have a specific idea exactly how I wanted it. So I didn't know, I knew what colors I was using, but I didn't know exactly how I wanted to paint it. So because I was using the colors black and white, and I was just like, okay, I'll just, just have this canvas to be pretty much black and gray. So I just mixed my black and white acrylic paint to form gray. And I just did like black, gray. I left a few spaces open for white. I was going to fill that in, but I feel like it looks better. It looks really good leaving that open space. So I'm just going to speed it up, the process of me painting it. If you want to do it exactly like I did, just feel free to pause, slow it down, come back to the video, and if you want to do it exactly how I did it. And also, I didn't show me mixing the paint because literally I just poured the paint on a paper plate and mixed it. I didn't add any water or anything. I just literally just mixed it. So it's a pretty easy concept to get. Okay, so now I'm just speeding it up. I'm just painting away, paint. I'm feeling like a little Picasso, child. On this texture right here, I added a little texture to the gray because, I don't know, I just didn't want it to be, I wanted it to be different. So at first I was thinking like I'll just do it smooth all the way. I'll do the whole paint just like a smooth surface, but I like textured painting, so I just added a little bit of texture by just swirling the brush around just to give it, just a little texture. Now that I'm done actually painting, I'm just going to go back and clean it up and actually paint the sides of the canvas as well. So you'll see me doing that here. Okay, so it dried really quickly, so I didn't wait too long. I probably waited maybe about 15 minutes before removing the actual painter's tape. So I just went ahead and removed that. And it actually looked really good like this. Like if you just want to do this and not use the gold tape, it's really pretty if you stop right here too. So I like this look as well. But I really like the gold look, so I'm going to add the gold tape. Now, when it comes to this gold tape, it gets a little tricky. I don't know if it's because of the scissors I was using to cut the tape. Make sure you have some like really sharp scissors because I was struggling cutting this tape. And yeah, and when it comes to laying it down, it's not as easy to lay down like the painter's tape was. So it gets a little tricky. And also, be sure, before you start putting the tape down, be sure to look at your design. So I initially put those first 2 lines down, but I removed the line because I didn't want the tape on those sides to be on top of the line. I wanted it to be under it, so I wanted it to look very seamless. So I had to, several times, I just was putting the tape down and I had to pull tape up so that the other tape can be under it. So you will see, you'll see in the video why I pulled the tape back. But don't be like me. Be sure just to actually look at your design and like, okay, I want this tape to be under this. So you won't have to go through and pull tape back and deal with the tape wrinkling up and stuff like that. And yeah, I had to go get my wick cutter to cut this tape easy. So if you got a counter wick cutter, it does cut the tape easy. So I don't know if it was just my scissors or what, but I went and got my counter wick cutter. So yeah, I did it again in this section. That's the reason why I have the tape pulled back, because I wanted that hidden. So that's just, something just to do ahead of time. Just figure out what sections you want hidden and do those first, and then put the finishing tape at the top. Do this DIY as well. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you like videos like this, please let me know down in the comments below, and thank you for watching. Bye.